This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift up the safety latch, raise the hood, and support it with the proper rod. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Using a screwdriver, pry off the wheel trim covers. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Place a floor jack under the lower control arm and raise it slightly. The lower control arm must be supported through the entire procedure. If the vehicle is equipped with ABS, remove the nut which attaches the bracket for the ABS leads to the strut. Before removing the lower strut mounting bolts, place alignment marks on the strut along with the edge of the strut bracket to ensure that correct camber is restored when the new strut is installed. Remove the strut to steering knuckle nuts and bolts. It is recommended to leave one lower mounting bolt and nut loosely installed until the strut is ready to be carried out from the fender well. Counterhold the center stud steady with a large screwdriver or appropriate sized chisel placed in the slot. Then unscrew the shock upper mounting nut. Also remove the rubber damper from the upper mount. Completely remove the lower mounting bolt and nut, then separate the strut assembly from the steering knuckle and remove it from the vehicle. Support the callip by using a suitable wire or coat hanger tied to the vehicle. Remove the piston rod retaining clip from the new strut. Then insert the strut into the fender well and the rod into the upper body mount. Join the lower end of the strut with the steering knuckle. Align the mounting holes, then loosely install the bolts and nuts in the same direction as they were removed. Install the upper damper and mounting nut to the center rod. Tighten the nut securely while counter-holding the center rod, but delay tightening to the specified torque until later. Align the marks painted at the steering knuckle with the lower strut flange. Then tighten the strut lower mounting fasteners to the specified torque setting. Install the ABS wiring bracket onto the studs. Then install the bracket retaining nut onto the upper stud and tighten it securely. Tighten the strut upper mounting nut to the specified torque setting while counter-holding the center piston rod. Remove the jack from under the lower control arm. Repeat this procedure for the remaining front strut assembly. Install the front wheels and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque. Install the wheel trim covers, applying firm pressure to secure them in place.